Hello, and welcome to FluentVibe Podcast. Today, we're diving into something every English learner needs: motivation. Learning a language can feel tough sometimes. Some days are amazing, and other days, not so much. That's completely normal. Today's focus is on staying strong, keeping going, and even enjoying the process, no matter how challenging it feels. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to speak fast. The key is to take small steps, try every day, and keep moving forward. And we'll practice shadowing, listening, and repeating step by step together. Why motivation matters. Motivation isn't always loud and flashy. Sometimes it's that quiet inner voice whispering, "Try again. Don't stop. Just do one more minute." Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for a better job? To travel the world? Or simply to enjoy movies and music without subtitles? Your personal reason is your fuel. It keeps you going on the hard days. Even 5 minutes of listening or repeating a sentence counts. Every little step moves you forward, opens a new door, and brings you closer to fluency. 5 practical tips for tough days. Tip 1. Do just a little. Don't aim for perfection or long sessions. Listen for 5 minutes. Read one paragraph. Repeat one sentence. Small steps repeated daily are powerful. Tip 2. Remember your reason. Write it down or say it out loud. Keep your personal why close. It's your fuel on hard days. Tip 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect time or mood. Start anywhere. A video saved on your phone, a book on your desk, a sentence to repeat. Just start. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Replace negative self-talk like "I'm slow" with encouraging words. "I'm learning," "I'm trying," "I'm making progress." Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Every tiny achievement matters. Did you understand a sentence? Learn a word? Repeat a sentence correctly? That's a victory. Acknowledge it. Seeing and feeling progress. Sometimes it feels like nothing is changing. Am I improving? You may ask. The truth is, you are better than yesterday. Here's how to notice it. Write it down. Keep a notebook with new words, sentences, or activities. Later, you'll see how much easier things feel now. Record your voice. Compare your current recordings with past ones. You'll hear your pronunciation and confidence improving. Notice small wins. Understanding a sentence without translating, watching a video without subtitles, or speaking naturally are real progress. Look back, not just forward. Compare yourself to a month or two ago. Things that were impossible then are doable now. Slow progress is still progress. So enjoy the journey and embrace mistakes. Learning English isn't a race, it's a journey. Celebrate small victories, like understanding a movie line or remembering a word. Mistakes? They're proof you're learning. Just like a baby learning to walk, falling is normal. The key is getting up and trying again. Make learning fun, not stressful. Listen to music, watch short videos, speak to yourself, or read interesting materials. Enjoy the process. The global power of English. English is more than a class. It's a key that opens doors worldwide. It connects you to people everywhere, allows you to enjoy media, make friends, and explore opportunities. Over 1.5 billion people speak English. Imagine the doors it opens for you, from jobs to study abroad and even making new friends globally. Here's the bottom line. Speed, mistakes, and shyness don't matter. What matters is that you are trying, you are growing, and you are showing up. Be proud of yourself. Every minute you practice, every sentence you repeat, every small win counts. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, believe in yourself.